Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find a group chat on Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. On the home page, locate and click on the messenger icon at the top right. Then, once you click on the messenger icon, come to where you see Ask Meta AI or search and click on it. And then, search for the Instagram group chat name. Once you search for the name, if the name is available or if the group chat is available, then you should be able to see the Instagram group chat name here, and all other available group chat name will pop. Now go ahead and click on the group chat you want to open, and then can go ahead and start leaving your message. That's one of the ways that you can use to find a group chat on Instagram. Alternatively, you can also come to the messenger page, then click on the Ask Meta AI or search. So once you click on Ask Meta AI or search, just go ahead and search for the name of the group member. So you can just search for the name of the group member. Once you search for the name of the group member, then you should see the group chat pops beneath the name. Then go ahead and click on that, and then you should have access to the group chat on your Instagram. You see that? So that is exactly how to find a group chat on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.